NovaCura Flow provides software solution that allows the development of fully customized mobile applications. With the NovaCura Flow platform, applications based on low-code technology can be created in just a few minutes. Our solution does not require high programming skills. To make the development process easy, we provide our users with the NovaCura Marketplace. You can easily download applications and connect them to the most well-known ERP systems. Once the applications are downloaded from the marketplace, users can deploy them directly in the real working environment. You can support that way with the mobility different operations. Our solutions are dedicated for field services and maintenance, warehouse operations and distribution, manufacturing, energy industry, and many more. Learn more about NovaCura Flow. Visit our website and see how we can support your business today. NovaCura, we understand your business needs.